Hello. I'm near Haehwa. Where are you now? I told you today I have a presentation. Okay, but I'm kind of busy, so bye-bye. Yeah, nice fun, isn't it? Did you hear my phone call? Yes, I guess. Did you hear this sentence? Where are you now? This is, are you familiar with this sentence? Probably yes, because this is not a magic sentence. This is not a special sentence. Where are you now? You learned this in elementary school? But the theme of my presentation is this, because I want you to share the idea about place. The idea about preciousness of a place. So, and then what is a place? Can you tell me what is a place? Or what is a space? Let's start with this. What is space and what is a place? Can you distinguish this? You know, but you can't tell. So I will tell you. The difference is spelling. No, yes, it's Toronto style joke. But no, seriously. The difference is, let me see. Let's see together. Or we live on the earth. And now I will show you some spot on the earth. This is arrangement of longitude and latitude. So can you guess where is the first one? The first one refers to an island of Argentina. Okay. Can you guess, how about second one? No. The second one is the capital city of Uruguay. How about the third one? Yeah, is it meaningful to you? No, it's boring, isn't it? But now I told you, now I tell you, the third one is here. Exactly where we are now. You are listening my presentation here. Okay, now third one and the other one is different. Can you feel the difference? Yes. This is a difference between space and place. Basically, all this is the same, the numbers and alphabet, but only from the third one you can make image about how does it look like. Because you know the place, because you are here. This is the difference. The third one could be place, but the other one, it doesn't matter. Is it important to you? The island of Argentina or the capital city of somewhere? So this is the difference. Space exists by itself somewhere, but place exists in your mind. It exists in your perception. It's only with your recognizing. Okay, so I will check. You get this or not? Do you think this is a space, a bus stop? Yes, this is space because bus stop or terminal or airport or on the road or supermarket, that kind of thing is not a goal. You go there to do something or to get something, but that is not a goal. It's mean. But think about in this situation. You are a university student, and your new semester started. So every day you wake up and prepare and get to university by bus. But one day you find a pretty girl in that bus stop, and every day she take a same bus as you, and you keep thinking about her, and you can't forget about her because she's your ideal type, and then the bus stop is just bus stop for taking bus. No, that could be a place, a romantic place to you, for seeing her or meeting her. But for others, it's not a special place. It's just a space. They just walk by. So some people know that this affection about place or your emotion, you feel feeling about a place, you didn't realize that, and some people use that. Think about Starbucks. Why girls go to cafe? Why girls go to cafe? If you take a coffee from convenience store, it's much more cheaper. It's cheaper than coffee shop, but why people go to cafe, or why people go to family restaurant like Bips or Outback? And why? Do you think they are a company for selling food or coffee? Yes, they are, but they sell not only coffee or food, but also a place to be. So when you are with your friend and you want to talk about something, and then you can go to cafe. It's not just for coffee. You need a place, your place. That is your affection about your place. It's very instinctive thing. So you didn't realize that, but your affection or your emotion about feeling is very strong. So some people use that. Some people make good place to gather people, and you gathered. Or do you remember the commercial of Korean Air? 미국 어디까지 가봤니? Do you remember? Yes, why they ask that from their commercial? Because they know affection or emotion about place. Have you ever travel abroad? After that, you want to stay just in Korea, or you want to go more, and you want to see more. Probably later on. And do you wanna hide that experience, or do you wanna expose that great experience? You wanna talk about that. You wanna show about that. I've ever been Turkey, or I've ever been Japan. You wanna talk about that, and that commercial asks you, where have you been? So a lot of people interested in that commercial because inside our people have emotion about place. So until now, we talk about place and space. Space always changes. It's depending on weather, wind, or people always make a new building or broke something, or yeah, like that. But place also always changes because you are changed. You always changing, and your situation is always changed, and place is depending on that. So place could be always changed. So have you ever visited your high school or elementary school? At that time, you go there and you went there and you feel, oh, it's my elementary school. I used to use this slide or swings, or you went to your classroom and, oh, it's small chair and desk. Yeah, I want to check you. Small chair and desk. Oh, I was so small. But did you feel the same feeling as your student in there? Is that a same place? It is a same space, because space, yeah, the school didn't change it, but you changed it. So you can't feel the same feeling because your situation is different now. Also in your middle school or high school and wherever you went. So do you know where you are now? There is a big difference. You know where you are now, and you realize you are aware where you are now, and you don't know that. So, like other presenters, I went to Toronto, and I stayed there 9 months. And just last week, I came back to Korea. And at the first time in Toronto, I always talk about, Seoul is nice city, Seoul is better than Toronto. Seoul is convenient, Seoul is fast, Seoul people is nice. And I always think about Seoul, and I always miss my friend, my place, where I used to go. But just last month, I buy my return ticket, and I just realized, oh, I will leave Toronto. And just at the time, I feel sad. At that time, I realized that how much I love Toronto, or how precious my time in Toronto. And I realized that I always do that. At the last time in high school, at the last time in middle school. And now I'm university student, 3rd grade, and I don't want to regret again. So I want to share this idea about be here now, because here now, here the place is just like time. You never come back. You can't come back. You can come back to this space because 성균 소극장 is exist forever, but you can't come back to this place here, because yeah, so you can't come back to here, like you can't come back to yesterday. So do you remember what is my first question? What? Sorry? One more. Yeah, I'm here. Where are you now? Yeah, I want you answer this. I'm here now. So, be here now. Remember, this is my message in this presentation and what I want to say. So, thank you.
Thank you. Do we have any feedback, comments from the audience? Questions? Questions or comments? Any feedback? No? Okay, well, hand it over to the judges.
Hi, Jae-young.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
So congratulations for surviving the winter in Toronto. I know it's not easy for non-Canadians to endure the cold, as many of my Asian friends complained to me when I lived there. It's too cold. It's too cold. How do you live here? And I'm walking around in shorts and a t-shirt. So I applaud you for taking on a kind of a very conceptual topic, difficult topic. Perhaps though you're missing the easiest example, and that's the example between the difference between the words house and home. Right? A house is a physical building, but a home is more than that.
Yeah, because that's too common.
Right? And we have a saying in English, home is where your heart is. Right? So home is a feeling and an emotion, not just a place. And I think that's kind of what you were going for. Is that, am I right?
Yes.
Yeah? But very good job. Again, it's a different topic, and that was interesting. Thank you.
프레젠테이션 중반부까지는 무슨 얘기를 하는지는 알겠는데 왜 이 얘기를 하는지를 따라가기가 사실 되게 힘들었었어요. 그러다가 끝으로 가면서 얘기하려고 하는 바가 조금씩 명확해지다 보니까 이렇게 프레젠테이션 할 수도 있겠구나. 이게 굉장히 흥미로운 접근 방법일 수도 있겠구나라는 생각이 들더라고요. 그 점이 좀 굉장히 독창적이다라고 느꼈었고요. 그냥 개인적인 질문이 있는데 이 플레이스와 그다음에 스페이스에 대한 어떤 이런 개념 같은 거는 스스로 이렇게 만들어낸 거예요? 아니면은 어디에서 참고를 하는 거예요?
그 개념은 제가 지리학을 복전하는데 거기서 나온 거고요.
아, 거기 그런
네,
개념...
지리학은 산과 강을 배우는 학문이 아닙니다. 공간과 장소를 배우는 학문이에요.
이제 거기 그것을 통해서 이제 어떤 삶에 접근하는 방식을 좀 설명하려고. 네, 그래서 네, 사실 따라가기가 쉽지는 않았지만 굉장히 흥미로웠던 것 같아요. 감사합니다.